If your Instagram 3-line settings menu isn't opening, don't worry. I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix in this quick tutorial. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it and let the app update completely. Once the update is done, return to your home screen. Now long press on the Instagram icon and select the small E App Info option. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, click Clear Cache to remove old temporary files. After that, go back and tap on Force Stop. Confirm by pressing OK. Next, return to your home screen and restart your phone by holding the power button. When your phone turns back on, open Instagram again. This time, your 3-line settings menu should open smoothly without any issues. And that's it, your problem is fixed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes like this.